Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. This week I got a treat for you. Cheese Bread Muffins. You're gonna like it. Come follow me along.
My God, what did you eat?
Alrighty, let's start with the cheese. Gotta grate that cheese. There you go, that looks good. Now 3 eggs, gotta get them ready. There you go, that looks good. 3 eggs into the blender, half a cup of oil, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of milk. Blend that up a little bit. Now we're going to put these 3 ingredients that are listed on the screen into the blender. Cup of flour. Blend that a little bit. And now we're going to add the mozzarella cheese. We're going to blend that. It didn't go down right, so we're going to push it down a little bit from the top. Down to the final blend. And now we're going to pour this mixture into the muffin tray. Look at that, nice and easy, huh? Into the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Look at that, folks. Let's take one out and see what it looks like. Oh yeah. They're good too.
I don't think so, Howard. I had the first batch. Hold on. We got something to make this a little more Cajun. Good old crab dip. Just like Mama used to make it. What was that goat's name again?
Who?
So what was that goat's name again?
Not bad. We'll have to show you how to cook that too. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed making it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that, cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. And always remember to thank our Creator, from whom all blessings flow. To God be the glory.